Now, 1 year after the arrest and imprisonment of the former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan, thousands of protesters have taken to the streets to demand for his release. Al Jazeera's Kamal Haider reports from Swabi.
Tens of thousands of people, several kilometers long. These are people who are heading to the venue at Sawabi, a major power show by the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf 1 year after Imran Khan was arrested by the government. Several of their leaders are in jail. But that, of course, has not diminished the enthusiasm of these supporters who've been pouring from across the country, from the southern province of Sindh, from the Punjab, as well as Baluchistan province. But the largest show of force is going to be held here in Sawabi, a clear message to the government that their days are numbered according to these people.
I stand with Imran Khan as he is our only truthful leader in this country who has been put in jail for 1 year by the corrupt government. Our struggle will continue until he is released.
And of course they're encouraged by the events in Bangladesh, where Hasina Wajid has already fled.
The only purpose of our gathering here in Swabi is to protest for the release of our leader, Imran Khan. Look at what happened to Hasina Wajid in Bangladesh. She too suppressed people's voices, and it's the same in Pakistan. I think that Shahbaz Sharif will run like her.
The message people here say is loud and clear, that once the people decide, their will prevail. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Sawabi.